Hello, and welcome to this WKO4 training video. Today we're going to review how to fix data spikes within your WKO4. At times, based on your recording device and your power generating device, you might get some faulty data, and here's how you can fix those data spikes. All you need to do is open the Fixed Data Spikes chart. You can find that by clicking on our chart library symbol. Click Chart Library and just search Fix Data Spikes and the chart will come up. Open it and it'll be here for your use. I already have mine open. What you'll have is a mean maximal power curve showing the power over whatever time range you have selected, your mean maximal power. We can see here there's some oddity going on, probably in this 1 second. That's pretty steep. What we give you on the right hand side is a way of reviewing the maximum 1 second. We do it for 1, 2, 3. Most data spikes happen in the first 3 seconds. So we're showing you a maximal 1 second and then your average top 5 1 second and the percentage difference. And we show that for 1, 2, 3. Anything really below 90 to 95, you want your typically just in nature of performance, those top 5 performances are going to be within about 10% of each other. So anytime you see this number going under 90, you might have some suspect data you want to look at. How do we repair that data? You can simply hover over some data, click on whatever point that you want, hover over the intersection point, whether it's like 2 seconds or whatever you're doing. And if you just left click, I'm left clicking at different ones here just to show you, you get the date and when the file was created. If you click it, it's going to come through right to the workout level. At the workout level, you want workout, data, spike ID, and fix pack open. If I have a lot of data to fix, I drag this to my top left position so it always auto opens. If you have it further in your navigation bar, further to the right, it won't be the one you open to. But you notice when I click through, it actually zoomed right into my report that I wanted. I see one red bar. Basically, you could see red, green, or purple here. That tells us that a power spike is higher either than 400%, 300%, or 200% of your threshold. I see one red bar. Now if I look at the sensor data below, I see a data spike. I can scroll up a little bit here of 1,200. That's obviously not correct. It looks like there's some cadence here, so the person started pedaling. So I'm just going to change that to 200, assuming they're kind of just looking at the number after and making an estimate. Now when I do that, you notice this changes to yellow and is more the norm. A good thing to do, and you can see here the selection, we clicked in on a 1 second, so it brought us right to the 1 second. You might want to check the entire workout before you leave. Now here I don't see any yellow, but I do see one purple. So simply by hovering over it, remember purple shows us anything over 200%. By sort of hovering in that area, I can click on it to make it stay there. I want to look around and see, does anything look odd with this power? Interesting enough, this one does. You see the repeating 3 seconds here, 502, 502, 502. That's another common form of a data spike. Is it high enough to correct it? No, I don't think so. I don't never want to change data unless I absolutely know what's wrong, but I do know something's odd in there. So you can make that choice as the coach. Once you've done that, you can go back to your, I obviously did not have it on my top right. You can go back to your data spike chart and you'll notice the percentages will change. This athlete has a lot of bad data, so they have multiples. You noticed a small shift in this 1 second, but there's more. So I can repeat the process simply by right clicking on it,